Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipop chicken at home. To begin, you'll need about 8 to 10 chicken drumsticks. Use a sharp knife to cut around the bone at the narrow end, then scrape the meat down towards the wider end, exposing the bone. This creates that signature lollipop shape. Trim any excess skin or fat for a cleaner look. This preparation is key for both presentation and even cooking. Once your drumsticks are shaped, it's time to season them. A simple blend of salt, black pepper, and paprika works wonderfully, or try a dry rub for extra flavor. You can bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until they are golden and crispy. For a fried version, heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for roughly 10 minutes, ensuring they are cooked through. After cooking, the fun part begins. Saucing. Toss your hot lollipop chicken in a large bowl with your favorite barbecue, buffalo, or sweet chili sauce until each piece is evenly coated. For best results, serve them immediately. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or sesame seeds adds a nice touch. These are perfect as an appetizer or a main course, perhaps alongside a fresh salad or some crispy fries. Making lollipop chicken at home is a rewarding experience, offering a fun and delicious way to enjoy a classic. You have full control over the flavors, so don't hesitate to get creative with your spices and sauces. This method transforms a simple drumstick into an impressive dish that's sure to be a hit with family and friends. It's a fantastic way to elevate your home cooking. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.